Hello and welcome back to this course. We are discussing about the layouts in JavaFX. So in our previous video we have discussed about the VBox layout, and in this video we will discuss about the StackPane layout. So StackPane layout is the simplest layout in Java. We have also used this layout in our first video. So basically, what is a StackPane? I hope that you know about the stack. When discuss about the stack class in the collection framework, I have give you concept that in stack one element is placed over the other elements, and the third element is placed over the second element, fourth element is placed over the third element. So this is a stack, one element is placed on the other element. Just like that, we have the StackPane layout, one element is placed over the other element. So let's create our program so that you have a better understanding that how we can use the StackPane layout. Okay, so first of all, what I do, I remove all these lines from here, like this. Okay, and first of all, I am going to create the circle, and I'm going to use the circle class here. So I type here circle c equals to new circle, and in the constructor I pass three things. First is the center x, second is the center y, and third is the radius of that circle. Okay, so I type the three values here. I type here 300, and I type here 150, and I type here 100. Okay, and I import the circle class from the javafx.scene.shape.circle. Okay, and I add some color to the circle, so I type here c dot set fill color fill, and in here I type the color dot, I type here the colors, I add black. Okay, after that I type here, I create another circle, circle c equals to new circle, and the constructor I type here 200, and I type here 100, and I type here the 70. Okay, and this is c1. Okay, so c1 dot set fill, just type here color dot blue. Okay, I have added the two circles. Okay, now I am going to use some text here, so I type here text t equals to new text, and the constructor I type the text like stack pane. Okay, and I import the text class from the scene.text.text. Okay, and after that I just type here the position. I type here t dot set x, and I type here 30. I think so 30 is enough. Then t dot set y, and in here I type 60. I think so. Okay, so that's it. After that I use the StackPane layout equals to new StackPane. Okay, and I import the StackPane from the layout. Okay, and after that I just set the margins, layout dot set margin, and in the set margin I first of all type the c and new in sets, and in here I type 40, 40, 40, and I think 40 is enough. So when we run our program, we see that if we want to change something, I just writing the numbers randomly. Okay, after that I have to add the children's, and after that I type here layout dot get children dot add all, and I add the C, C1 and T for text. Okay, and after that I think so everything is done. When I run this program, you will see this nice circle on the screen. Okay, so our values I think are great. Okay, so you can see that first of all we have the black circle, on the top we have the blue circle, and on the top of the blue circle we have the text, which is the stack pane. So this is what we call the stack pane layout. Elements are placed over each other using the stack pane. I hope that you understand. I use the circle so that you will feel comfortable that how we can basically use the stack pane. This is basically the best example of the stack pane. We have placed the circles over each other. I hope you understand. Okay, so I think so if I just comment these lines and I run my program, you will see the same result, because we know that element is always in stack pane placed over each other. So that's why we don't need to set the set x and set y. So I remove these lines from here right now, but these are the helpful methods in the stack text class basically. So first of all, I have created the circle, and its color is black. Then the second circle, and its color is blue with this polar size of radius 70. After that, I added these basically circles on the layout, and I set the margin. After that, I have just run the program, and you will see the result on the screen. So I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding any class, any layout, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.